only a matter of time. Bitcoin's dumping, Ethereum's dumping. It's going to be a nightmare. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whatever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. I know things are going to be gloomy in this video, but there's always going to be a rainbow at the end of any kind of rainfall or downpour. Yes, although the crypto space may look like it's a disaster, eventually Bitcoin, Ethereum, and everything else will start to pump sometime next year around this time. So don't worry about that. So right now, it's a little bit of sadness, and that's just the way it goes. Speaking about sadness, right? I'm going to just jump right into it. Ledger's laying off people. This is a hardware wallet firm, right? I would suggest that you not use Ledger. And this, I don't think they're laying off people because they're saying here in this article that they're laying people off because of bear market. Yeah, dude. You might want to listen to the fact that maybe you changed the game and you broke the cardinal rule of a hardware wallet where the keys on their hardware wallet never leave it. Ever, never. And if you allow a means for people to take off the keys and store it for them and allow the government to steal their money, that's not a good thing. So that's why I suggest you use another hardware wallet called Treasure. This is the one I use, right? Or I'm going to be doing a review on this one from Tangem. This is a new wallet, so look out for a review on that one. I might be doing a review sometime soon. Okay, well, we're going to be doing some trading for the rest of today's video. We're going to be doing that. I do my trading on bybit.davincij15.com or okx.davincij15.com. Links are in the description if you're interested. Okay, so let's dive right in. I did a short trade on Bybit, and boom, yesterday, and boom, there it is, dumped down. I didn't go heavy. I only shorted it only to this this point right here at the 27.7. The reason why is because Bitcoin's very volatile, and so I didn't want to trust that it was going to break this this trend here, upward trend, but it did. And I could have taken it for even more profits. Now there's still a clear indication that Bitcoin is going to roll over here. So you're looking for an additional short. Unfortunately, Bitcoin, Ethereum, they're all looking very bearish. Here's the thing: we look at the long-term time frame, and this is bearish. Even though right now it's on an upward trend, which has been broken again here, broken this trend, upward trend on the orange line, broken this one on this orange line. So I'm going to delete this one, the first one that is broken, and this one has been broken as well. So we can really see, there's no happiness here, none. Bitcoin is going to roll over and roll down to the $26,000 mark, and then to 25,000. And once it breaks to 25,000, it is adios, muchachos. If you're going to get into a trade, here's the time to do the short. If you're going to take the short, your stop loss, if you're going to take a major short, like a long-term short, which is fine, you can take the short anywhere here. Clearly, this is a clear trade here, and you're going to take this far down, right? All the way down to the 25K, but let's just go to something like 25.5. If you want, you take some profits here, take half the profits here at the 25.5 and let the rest run. Move your stops to break even so that you don't lose any money. You walk away as a winner, period. And that's how you would make this trade. You would take it, if it does break the 25K, you take it all the way to 2K, 20K. And then that's where you'd take your final profits. You wouldn't look for much more, even though there probably is more to be had. Just you don't want to be greedy, because you know what they say in this market. Come here. Bears make money, Bulls make money. Pigs, they get slaughtered. So don't get slaughtered. Okay, so let's go on to Ethereum. Ethereum, I took a trade down here and it dumped. Of course, I didn't take it all the way to the end here. I took it only to this this specific point, this trend line. I don't like getting greedy on the markets, and yeah, it moved all the way down further, and I could have gotten some more. Ethereum looks really nasty, but at the 4 hour, we are too far away from the EMA ribbon to for us to be jumping in on a trade here. So don't be surprised if we consolidate a bit or it pumps back up to the top of the trend line at the $1,600 mark, the $1,600 mark. This is where you'd probably get into another short trade on Ethereum. If you're going to get into any short trade on Ethereum, the stop loss has to be way up here, unfortunately. It's brutal, right? Because you're talking about a 10% move. Yeah, exactly. So a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio would be down here. Now you could go, well, Mr. D, I don't think that it's going to go 10% up. We can just go to the candle bodies and just say that, hey, you know what, this if it gets back up there, that's pretty good. But it's still, that's 8%. Whether it's 8 or 10%, it's the same thing. You could also go, since Ethereum doesn't like to do a lot of wicks, you can go as low as 1,666. Ooh, wow, that's an interesting number. So most likely that's the right number, and you could take this. If you're going to do a lower stop loss, you could take this to a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, breaking it down. But once you break down here, I think you can say with confidence that it's going to continue breaking down. If we get as far as the 1485, boom, you could take some profits off and let the rest ride. And where you're going to be riding this thing down to, I would say about $1,200 to $1,200 mark. Let's see. Let me just see here. Yeah, the $1,200 mark is a good place, but a safer one would be the 1360 as where you'd want to take some profits. Anything else would be probably a little bit suicide or dangerous, because Ethereum could reverse on you because there's a lot of power there. Looking at the dominance, the dominance is clear. Bitcoin, I was hoping for a alt season. No such luck. It has taken back its power, and even though it has to break above the 16%, it will most likely do that at this point, because you can see clearly we've broken the downtrend that it was doing, and boom, it's now created an uptrend. So that means Bitcoin is outperforming, and I can't, in good conscience, get into alts with my trusted Bitcoin. I'm going to have to wait until this gives me clear signs that we are going to have a bull market in the alts priced against Bitcoin, and that doesn't look like it at all. All right, well, thank you all for watching today's short episode. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, hit the thumbs up, and if you didn't, well, the other button works too. I would really appreciate it. Subscribe if you did like it, and yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.